One thing about worst-case scenarios, they can happen when you least expect them. And they're not always a matter of life or death. Sometimes they're just plain annoying.
Do something half decent for the environment, get a small, fuel-efficient car and some joker backs you in so you can't move. Oh, hang on, this is ridiculous. Hey! Hey! You can give us a quick hand, would you? Sometimes surviving worst-case scenarios means you've got to think ingeniously and quickly. Can borrow your muscle for 20 seconds, could I? Grab a wheel. Here we go. Get under this. 1, 2, 3. And again, 1, 2, 3. Yeah! Perfect. Perfect. Give me 5. You're heroes. Thank you. Oh, I love it. Perfect use.